let's be honest here. Do you hate your 9 to 5, yes or not? You can comment down below. Reshaper, hope you're fantastic today. In today's video, I want to share with you rest when you have to, why it is important to rest, and how to rest the right way. So if you want to watch this video, first of all, subscribe, notification bell, share with friends and loved ones, because of these videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and also follow me on all the social media, because you can engage with myself also on other channels, not just YouTube, if you want to. This very channel, other videos about social anxiety, procrastination, LML, LOA, and so forth. So if you're interested in this stuff, give me a subscribe and we can jump in. Alright, Reshaper, what do you think about resting? What is the last time you have rested? You can comment down below. Because when you don't rest, what happens with our nervous system? Well, we start to fall apart.
I have bullet ball.
How we start to fall apart? In many ways. Physically, we feel really exhausted. Mentally, we feel also exhausted. What this leads is to burnout syndromes. And I don't mean sometimes you have to rest like several hours, maybe really just a day. When was the last day you have rested? Just a day for yourself. For nobody else, not for social media, not for everything, not for books, just for yourself. When was the last day? I'm asking you. Mine was 1 month ago. 1 month ago I have rested one Sunday, completely off of social media.
Free your mind.
Completely off of books and everything.
Boring!
I have just meditated, I have just come in myself and written everything down. So I had kind of more the clarity. Who I am, what I am, when I go outside, how I interact with people, and become more self-conscious. It is really important, especially in Japan. We are having currently one of the situations where people are just saying when you're resting, you're doing nothing, you are slacking. But this is simply not true, because most people are just overworking. Or some people are just pretending to work but not work at all. And guess what? When you have currently your 9 to 5 that you hate from the bottom of your heart and still struggling, what happened with you? You are still there and can't really move forward. And because you can't move forward, you are stuck. And
first try?
You hate it, and you have to do it, you feel more exhausted, not just physically but also mentally. So we need kind of this discharge sometimes in our life. And these several days that you have take off, just take off, right? You have to take them off to recover, not just physically but basically mentally, because 80% is happened from our mental mind. Also in business, 80% is mental, 20% is execution. You can know all the tactics on the world, you can execute so much you want to have, but if you don't have the right energy to execute on this thing, you will never succeed. Every time your body is sending you signals that you are too fatigued, you can't do it mentally, physically. Of course you can push forward, but if you push forward over and over again, it can happen to burnout syndrome. Therefore, just keep everything how it is. Let everything go and just push forward afterwards, after you have taken the rest you need.
Yes, my lord.
Secondly, during the rest, never go on Netflix, never go out with friends, just be with yourself, because we are more taking information from the environment, from the social media, from everything, but not about yourself. This media are actually giving us, it's a doom for all self-consciousness. Therefore, we want to become more self-conscious. The self-consciousness we can just become if we are alone with ourselves. Alright? If you don't do it, you will just get sick. So do it once in a while, but don't rest like every Wednesday I have a day off like this one, okay? Because if you have currently a solid habit, you don't want to interrupt this habit. Therefore, you can do it once in a while, but not every single time, alright? Recap. How to recover the right way. First of all, you want to pick up a day when your body sends you signals and say, I can't bear it anymore. You need to push forward, but you need a mental and physical rest. Rest for 1 or 2 days. Just take one day off. Just say to your boss, I want a day off. During these days, what you're doing, secondly, don't interact with anyone. Don't interact with social media, no books, nothing. Interact with yourself. Be conscious of yourself. Listen to yourself, meditate, listen to music and stuff like that. And certainly, yes, don't do this habit, don't do the thing as a habit. Don't do it like every Thursday I have a day off. Don't do it, because when you do it, it becomes really interfering with your own habit. So it is better for you if you don't do it. Hello Reshaper, thank you for watching. I do this video every Wednesday and Saturday, so make sure to subscribe to this notification, share with your friends and your loved ones. You can, you don't, you want to. Because the next video will be about calm down, how to calm down the right way. Currently, in this video I have shared you have to calm down, right? But what kind of techniques you can use during this very week or do this very day that you're calming down to calm down even better, which is more beneficial for yourself, I will tell you in the next video. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell and share with your friends, because I truly believe it will benefit them too. Today's question is, when was the last time you have rested for a day without having social media on place? Comment in the comments box down below. Even if it's in, I can't remember, just comment down below, we can engage in the comments box. Alright? Awesome. Reshaper. In this very channel, I'll do videos about procrastination, social anxiety, about overcoming mental things and so on. So make sure to watch these videos, and meanwhile, and as always, do not let yourself to passionate. Russian. Oh, I put out the scissors. If you put out the rock, you have won. Nice day for you.